Let's see with the family. Let's go do this. Ooh, it's dark in here.
Great job. I'm scared.
Whoa. Look. Hello, face. Whoa. Whoa. Just swell. Now where are we?
Under the sea.
We're under the sea.
With Nemo twins. Wow. Look at the big lineup.
Look, the school of fish. The school of fish. Oh, it's gone.
I missed it.
Up on the wall, there's a school of fish.
That's probably what it is.
What's that school of fish gonna do? Well, it's trying to make something. We're not gonna be able to see it. Yep.
You have to wait here.
Look at the floor. Making me dizzy. Whee!
You made it. I know. I know. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Oh, another line. Oh. There's Ma. Ma was running. She was running. There she goes again, running. Where did she get the energy? Oh my goodness.
Because of the tea.
Maybe she really needs to pee.
So,
That's whatever you want.
yeah, of course, because we've been on this ride together before.
Hello.
Feet, legs, and fins.
The other two.
Watch out, two.
You want to go? You want to go with her? Oh, that's
Next party, please hold for me 1 second. I'm in your party.
me and him.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Watch your step and right in there for me. Okay, watch your step.
Huh? Yeah, but we don't want her around. Bye, honey. Love you. Stay well. You'll be fine. I'm with him.
Yeah.
How did that happen? Oh, the ride stopped. It's his fault, right?
So we're just taking a nice slow route.
Oh, we're taking the slow road. You all right, honey? All good. So now you gotta find Nemo. Like that, yeah. Well, that's the whole goal. There's 3 loop-de-loops in this one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Get off your phone. Oh, you're allowed to do that. That's Nemo. That's Nemo. We found him. Okay, we can get off the ride now.
Right over.
That's it. We're done. We found him. Oh, there he is. Oh,
It's right there.
Go on.
So much to know.
There he is.
Explorers, it's time to.
Oh, he's gone.
Nemo's swimming out the sea.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes
There he is.
all the
Found
way.
him. Oh, he's gone.
Oh, let's go explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Oh,
These orange slides and pretend like you only small.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
that Nemo's dad.
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
The clownfish.
I can help.
Yeah.
There. There's Nemo. Oh, that guy's always scared. Nice. What is this?
Good.
It's jellyfish.
Yeah. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy and
Getting it though.
oh yeah, too fast for you.
Well, there's a scary guy up there. Oh, he came down. I hope there's no shark.
My middle name is gonna come up.
What? Who's that? Who's that guy? Stay in there. Stay in there.
Also, mate, fish are friends. Delicious friends.
Why are we stopping in front of
There
this?
is clownfish table. Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite.
Where did he go, Lise? Lise, where did he go? Where did he go? Uh-oh. I think we have a turtle ride going on here. I think they need to reline the cameras.
Kill the matter, Ted. It's
Nemo, found him.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Look, they're in a real tank. That's real fish. Nemo, how are they doing this?
I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming round the sea.
Great you are, explorers.
We're here with all our friends. It's a big blue world. Journey
Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but it just never stops.
It never stops. Yep.
It's time to come out of your bed. Bye-bye now. So long, explorers. Oh, the ocean is vast. Stay with your big guns.
All right, let you go. All right.
Yep. Thank you, honey.
Well, there you go, honey. You saw. Did you find Nemo?
Yes.
Yeah, we made it.
We made it for the second time.